around.
If it's mine, just turn. Oh, I can put that on silent if you want. You can come in. Well, they don't ask about my work generally. Hi, my name's Sean Clarkin. I'm the IT manager for Modern Transport Group of companies. We're the largest heavy transport manufacturer in Australasia. We specialise in custom solutions for heavy transport operators and big custom projects. We've got a number of workshops throughout the North Island region. We have quite a complicated manufacturing process, and part of that is our ageing accounting system was coming to end of life, which included our payroll system and time clocking system for the workshops. We're looking for a software solution to basically give us better visibility across our sites. Our account manager, David Stokes, came out to visit us one day to discuss our printer solutions. We'd already been using Sharp printers for a number of years and are really happy with the product. And he was able to introduce us to Bridgepoint and take us into the Sharp offices in Hamilton to show us some of the solutions that they were able to produce to see if anything would be suitable in our sort of workshop environment. We wanted to develop a solution which was easy for our staff members. We wanted a kiosk-based system where they're able to clock in, choose their ID, choose what job, choose what progress they're working on, and then have it visible for the rest of the workshop to see. We use the screens 24/7, so they're on 365 days a year, rain or shine. They're out in all sorts of elements, and we have no issues with visibility. So it can be a brighter, sunnier day and still clear as anything can be. Working with Bridgepoint and Sharp's been an excellent process. It's been quite a collaborative effort on both sides. We had about a 12-month testing process of working with one of our workshops. We were able to try and test out the different ideas. We're continuing development on the solution that Bridgepoint and Sharp's been able to come up with. At its current state, we've had massive improvement. Having that visibility's increased our production by at least 30%. And from the manager's point of view, it's given them a lot more control over their staff. Having that visibility that they didn't have before has opened up more opportunities for them to manage the staff and what work and projects they're working on. The team at Sharp and Bridgepoint has been absolutely amazing. The hours that the guys have put in to get a production solution working has been absolutely amazing. We've had lots of different trials and errors that to get a working solution, and they pulled basically all the stops out to get it done. We had quite a tight time frame with the end of the payroll system, and the fact they were able to come up with a solution prior to that ending was amazing. I'd recommend Sharp to other manufacturing companies. The products and solutions that they've been able to come up with has been great, and we've had a real tangible improvement on our business.